Assalamu alaikum, little students. Welcome back to our online learning channel. Let's begin. Today we are going to begin with page number 89, Unit 10, the weather. We're going to learn about the seasons of the year. Are you ready? Let's begin. There are 4 seasons in a year: summer, spring, autumn, winter. Firstly, let's together read what's written on this page regarding the 4 main seasons: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Let's understand each season one by one. Summer. The weather is hot and sunny. Summer is so hot. In this season, nights get shorter and days get longer. The sun shines so bright that it's impossible to go out for a long while. And sometimes the hot wind blows all the time. We wear cotton clothes, we can have ice cream, drink juices, do swimming. Spring. New flowers and leaves appear. The weather begins to get warmer. Spring season is a flowering season. Spring is a warm season. Everything looks colorful and beautiful because of blooming flowers. The environment becomes very pleasant the moment this season comes. Spring season is all about flowers, leaves, and warm weather. We can go out and play and wear lighter clothes in this season. Autumn. It gets cooler. There may be more rain showers. Plants start to lose their leaves. Autumn season, also known as the fall season. In this season, the leaves from the trees fall on the ground. It is the time of harvesting. The weather starts to get a little cooler. In this season, the animals are seen looking for food so they can store up for cold winters. Winter. The weather gets cold. There are no leaves on the trees. Winters. It is a cold season. It is very cold in winter. The days are shorter and the nights are longer. The whole atmosphere is cold, so remember to wrap up yourself in warm clothes so that you may not get caught with cold. In some areas there is snow falling and we can make snowmans out of it. My little kids, I have found a song for you regarding the 4 seasons. Let's hear it out.
Seasons of the year. Here comes the spring with the rain pouring down. Here comes the spring with the flowers in the ground. Here comes the spring with the rainbow in the sky. Here comes the summer with the heat from the sun. Here comes the summer with the kids having fun. Here comes the summer with the warm breeze. Here comes the summer with the trees so green. Here comes the fall with the leaves changing color. Here comes the fall with the climate getting cooler. Here comes the fall with the leaves falling down. Here comes the fall with the wind blowing loud. Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer. Here comes the winter with the ice and the snow. Here comes the winter with the freezing cold. Here comes the winter with the days getting shorter. Here comes the winter with the nights getting longer.